Hey there, I'm reviewing the Ororo Women's Lightweight Heated Vest, a game changer for staying warm during cold weather. The lightweight design makes it easy to layer over or under other clothing, while the included battery pack provides long-lasting warmth for hours. The heating zones are strategically placed across the chest, back, and collar, ensuring even warmth throughout. I love how quickly it heats up with just the press of a button. The 3 heat settings, low, medium, and high, allow you to customize the level of warmth based on the temperature or your activity. The battery pack is compact and charges quickly. It also features a USB port, which is super convenient for charging your phone or other devices on the go. The vest itself is water resistant, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, or simply running errands in cold weather. The fit is flattering and true to size, providing a stylish yet functional option for winter wear. The material is soft and durable, ensuring it holds up well with regular use. If you are looking for a reliable, comfortable, and stylish way to stay warm, this heated vest is worth every penny. Highly recommend it for anyone who wants to stay cozy without the bulk.